Good morning. I need to chill. It's like not even 8 o'clock in the morning and I don't know why I have this much energy, but here I am. Bonnet, jammies, eye baggies. She's looking absolutely insane. Let me go put on my clothes, brush my mouth, then I can come and talk to you properly. Yeah. What's up, everybody? It is your girl, Junior Spacey. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you are brand new here. I know I'm looking a little bit crazy and a bit rushed is because I got places to be. And this is my quick intro into the video for the things that I'm about to do. If you hear sounds in the background is because my husband wants me to leave like right now. Please leave a like, a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's get into the video. I am now changed and not indecent. But look at this, guys. I actually just got this brand new ring light off of the Amazon, and I am excited for it because it's bright. So we're going to test it together. Together we test it together. I also have my other ring light, so let me show you what I do with my other ring light. Mind you, let me show you, I do natural light, comme ça. I do my ring light, which is a lot brighter today for some reason. Oh, it's probably brighter because it's raining, but let's try it with this super mega awesome ring light. You guys are testing it with me for the very first time. Oh, maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's the lighting. Actually, this isn't that bad. You guys get to see me now. I love that. You're probably wondering why I'm also still in my bonnet. The reason I'm still in my bonnet is because my hair looks insane because I have to retwist my hair every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks. I'm kidding. That's too much. Not every 2 weeks, but I have to twist it, retwist it fairly often because I have very, very soft hair and my roots never like to lock when they're supposed to. Yes, I wanted to do something really, really fast for a look today because I have to, you know, I got places to go, people to see, places to be. Not really. I'm actually just going to go drop my husband off at work, take the car for the day, and go adventuring. So I wanted to think of doing, not I wanted to think of, but I'm thinking of doing this new type of look, but it's new to me. It's new to me, old to you, but I wanted to do a 90s grunge look. Something that's very low maintenance, but you have to use a lot of makeup to get the look. So I was thinking of doing something like this or like this. So follow along with me in doing that. I'm gonna start off spritzing my face. This is just rose water and glycerin. I know, right? Fancy. Gotta remember, first step of good makeup is good skincare. I want the skin to look nice, so I know this is gonna sound super weird, but in order to lock in my moisture, I'm also going to use good old handy dandy trusty petroleum jelly. Because honestly, I have pretty dry skin. It may not look it. She may look real supple. I really be suffering with this dry skin, and it's springtime. And the thing about spring is pollen. Pollen and I are like mortal enemies. Keep it extra hydrated for the sake of not dying of allergies. So we're gonna do glowy skin. I need my Whoa Glow Sun Touchable 30 SPF sunscreen / primer. You know, I know grunge back in the day was pretty matte, but we are in 2024. I like being matte at times, but the thing is, it just doesn't always suit me. I feel like we're gonna still be a bit glowy. My CoverGirl Clean Fresh. I'm almost done. This is my Mist and Set from e.l.f. My goodness, I love e.l.f. so much, y'all. e.l.f., if you see this video ever, sponsor me, bro. Get that all up in there. Ooh, that glow, guys. It's It's a mystery, an absolute mystery. Look at this planet that's growing on my forehead right here. A dying star. I have all of these little dark spots that like to try and make a debut. Not on my watch, honey. I gotta put some of this under my eye baggies. Well, kinda, sorta, not really, because we're gonna get rid of it anyway. I'm gonna take off the eye baggies to put the eye baggies in. I mean, that's what a grunge look is. Looking perpetually tired. You want that, dude, I don't even care that I'm here kind of look going on, you know? And here I am, caring about how I look. I'm looking kind of like I woke up like this, even though I totally didn't. Right on, crouton. I want my cheeks to look so sunken in. I want them to look like I haven't eaten in days. But we all know that that's not true. Going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, satin finish in the color Ebony. My edges ain't even done, y'all. Look like I didn't even try this morning. I want to look like it wasn't a phase. It's not a phase, Mom. Grungy looks don't really have highlight underneath the eye, but guess what? I'm gonna do it anyway because I'm a creature of habit. I want this look to be fast. I'm not trying to do the most today, but I'm also trying to do a lot. How's she looking? I also don't want to go up too high with my highlight. We want to look tired. We want to look like waking up was such a chore for us this morning. Gonna hit ourselves with some blusher. I love blush, guys, even though I'm black. I've never seen a dark-skinned girl blush before other than what we put on our face. Let's be honest. I don't know. I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? What do I be talking about half the time? Base is already done. When I tell you I'm the queen of timing, it's a lie. Oof. Come on, highlight. Come through. I don't like looking too matte. A little bit of shine. I want the shine. I want my highlight to look like I've been crying. I want to look like I've been in tears all morning. Get my bronzer. Why not? I had my choker. Oh, I was trying to go for grunge girl with my choker, guys. And the choker fell. It didn't choke me. It was unsuccessful. Now I gotta choke myself all over again. These birds be putting their business outside. In all honesty, I don't even need to set underneath my eyes, just the rest of my face, because we're looking tired. I'm over the day. Comment down below of what it was like when you were a teenager. If you grew up in the 90s, if you're a millennial like me, or if you grew up in the early 2000s, what was it like for you? I was definitely the nobody that everybody knew. I was bullied a lot for being weird, but now I realize my weirdness was autism. Can't change that. I became a more confident person as I got older, and I realized that it didn't really matter what people thought about me. Now, more so how people feel about me, I don't want to hurt or offend anybody. I am much more conscious about my impact on others, especially since coming to Christ. It's very important to me that I make good impressions, and not because I want to just be nice, you know what I mean? There's a difference between being kind and being nice, and a lot of people think that being nice and being kind are the same thing, and they're obviously not. To me, being nice means that you want to be liked, and being kind means that it doesn't matter if they like you or not, you're going to show grace. That's my little word of the day, 2 cents. This is as good as I could get the brows. I wanted them big and fluffy and big and fluffy. Husband, you want to say hi?
Hola.
That's my hand husband.
Hi.
It's...
How you doing?
I couldn't afford the real person.
It's a lovely day, isn't it?
I couldn't afford the full guy. So I got a hand. It was discounted. All right, brows are done. Now to get to the sleepy look part. I'm not gonna really prime my eyes because my natural lids are pretty dark. So I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. No Budge shadow stick in Copper Chic. Gonna put that all over the lid, at least where my creasy parts get. Don't worry, we're gonna do something cool in just a second. I've been seeing this really cool trend on TikTok where like you put on your eyeliner and then you smudge it with your fingers and it looks like you're grungy tired. So I'm gonna try that. Let's line our eyes with this black pencil. It's a brow pencil, but it's black and I'm gonna use it. Just warm it on the back of our hand here. Bottom lash. And then I'm also gonna messily do the top brow, actually tight line. Trick is just to get all of that in there. Now that we got that mostly down, time for the goodness. So we're gonna, this cannot be safe for my eyes, but we're gonna try it anyway. Maybe I rubbed a little too much. Oh no. Oh, let me fix it. Oh Lord, this was not, oh my gosh. We can, this look went so left. It was something completely different in my mind. Hot diggity dog. How do I fix this? Okay, let me see. Maybe put a little bit more liner, I guess. It's giving purposeful raccoon. Maybe more liner. I don't know what to make of this. I mean, that's grungy. This is probably a double tutorial because I'm showing you how to fix your mistakes. Because when I say I be making mistakes, y'all, I'm not kidding. You just seen it in live action. All right. This is a crazy ride. Let me take some of my my Maybelline Super Stay in my contour color and see if I can dust it over the eyelid space and try to salvage this look. This is hilariously bad. And you know what? I'm still gonna go out looking like this. For all anybody knows, this was on purpose. It'll be better when I put on the lashes. Bro, this is hysterical. Yo, the way that this makeup is coming out, bro.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, oh no. Oh, it looks fine to you because I just finished fixing it.
Right.
So I'm gonna take this broken 9W Smoke and Shadow Morphe palette. I'm gonna go in with this color here and I'm going to pop that into my inner corner here. I'm also put it on the outside corner too. This look, y'all, I don't know if I'd ever do this again. I wanted grunge, not undead, you know what I mean? I'm also gonna take some of this dark gray shadow here and I'm also gonna smudge more of that black that I was doing on the upper and the lower waterline. Just to make myself feel better, I'm going to put on a brow bone highlight. I'm gonna at least stay true to myself to some degree because this was a journey, okay? I can't say that I enjoyed it. Let me put on more highlighter. I need something to make me feel secure. I'm gonna go throw some lashes on and bring you back to do my lippy because I don't know what's going on with this makeup look, but we're gonna try to bring it. We're gonna try to salvage it. We're gonna try to save it. All right, y'all. I did my best to be able to fix it and probably that sneeze made it a little bit worse, but I did my best to be able to fix it and could have done a much better job. Now onto the lips. Since the eyes are pretty grungy, I don't care. I kind of give in like goth girl, especially with the choker. I usually just go with my dark brown pencil. I'm actually gonna take my contour and I'm going to use that to line my lips. Let me bring it in. Bring it in, bring it in. I'm gonna use that to line my lips. I know brown lip liner was the it. You were the it girl in the 90s. Or was that concealer lips? Or was that early 2000s? I wasn't allowed to wear makeup in the 90s. Guess how old I am. I want a little bit of extra drama, so I'm gonna use my handy dandy trusted black eyeliner that I used to create this mess. And I'm gonna just lightly go around my lips. I'm gonna put it back on my eyes too. I feel like I lost a little bit of something on my eyes. This is not a look I'm used to, guys. Next, I am taking Essence. I love this color so much. These nude lippies from Essence. Essence, you killed the game. This is in the color Lovable. It's a really, really pretty brown, warm, muted brown. It's very nice. So I'm just going to do a quick little tap taparoo. There you guys have it, the final look. And you know what? Just to keep up with the aesthetic, I don't know, keeping up with the 90s kind of theme, slap on a bucket hat. Why not? It goes with the choker. Which way do you like it, guys? Up or down? So yeah, guys, here is the final look. This was so incredibly unexpected. I came up with wanting to do this last night randomly. I had a whole other look in mind, but this is what popped up. And honestly, it's giving. It's not that bad. I'm not upset about it. I'm not mad at it. This eye look is nothing that I would wear on a daily basis. I like things that look a little bit more polished, but since this is where this has led me, I'm not gonna be upset about it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me along on this crazy journey, this wild ride, because it was a wild ride for me, honestly, because when I tell you, I don't need help trying to look sleepy. I don't even need makeup to look sleepy. I just kind of just wake up and hope for the best. This is what we get for an intentional grunge type of look. We're going for that 90s vibe, bringing the 90s vibe back in. I appreciate all of you for being here. Please don't forget to like, comment, engage, and also subscribe for more beauty content, more looks, more of my vlogs, things like that. I gotta run because I have to go bring hubby to work. Yeah, and probably I need some coffee. I definitely need some coffee. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if no one told you today or at any point, I love you. Bye.